Hi guys, my name is Navia and I'm finna dye my hair. Hopefully, yeah, this go right. I ain't never really dyed my hair. Well, by myself, I got it dyed before, but it was just bleached. And it was just my ends, but I feel like doing the whole head. And I want to see, yeah, how this will look on me, period. It's spiced red, so I ain't never too much hair red before. So yeah, new beginning, new journey. Come with me. Like I said, I ain't never dyed my hair before, so y'all just gonna have to bear with me. Okay, instructions. I don't need them. I don't need them. I already read it. I think, yeah. I'm gonna take these off. Yeah, I'm gonna take these off. Damn it. A fucking mosquito just beat me. Wait a minute, I gotta go get the motherfucker. Okay. Oh. Okay, it ain't nothing up in here. What I gotta do? I ain't never do this. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm finna part my hair. Yep. My hair. Okay. Take this motherfucking braid out. That be hard. Okay. Damn, I feel like that should be in my bag. Ooh. Ooh. Open this song. Okay. Comb that bitch out. I wasn't even going to get that color. I was trying to get another color. I didn't want that color at first, but when I seen it, it was just the only thing they had left, so I just got it. I wanted like a ginger color, but I don't know. I might re-dye this bitch in the future. I'm trying to get this combed out first, cause I don't wanna. Cause when I get this putting that stuff on there and trying to comb that out, that's gonna hurt. So I don't even wanna do that. Yup. Yeah, this is it. That's it right there. Alright. That's done. Oh, fuck. No, it's not. I ain't even pop my shit. Okay. I know I need to talk to y'all, but shit, I don't even know what to talk about. I mean, life is good. Life is great. What Future said. That's all I got for you. Oh, I started school in the spring, y'all. That's exciting. Oh, this some big ass shit. See, that's why I got 2 boxes. I just felt like I wasn't gonna have enough, so I got 2. Bitch, I was thinking about getting 3, but I was like, nah, bitch, you doing too much now. You doing too much now. So that's why I ain't get 3. So you know what I'm saying? I just got the 2. The motherfucking 2. Okay. Let me braid this bitch up. So, I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay. I know I keep on coming back with these weird ass goddamn setups and stuff, but I ain't gonna touch it no more. I promise. But I finished braiding my hair and sectioning it out. So I'm finna get to doing. That's my computer, y'all. But I'm finna get to doing the dyeing part. In a few minutes. I know this taking me a long time, but listen. And I'm gonna play me some music, so I'm gonna speed this bitch up. You feel me? So yeah. So I'm gonna speed this up in a few. But I'm gonna get the time. I'm gonna put this on first. Then I'm gonna do that. I already got my computer set up. I'm gonna put it down. Cause I'm playing music. But I'm gonna mute that bitch because copyright. I don't got time for it. I know it's barely nothing in here. I know y'all was thinking that from the get-go. But listen. You gotta do what you gotta do. So I think this how they do it. I don't know if, oh shit. I don't know if I'm putting too much. So I'm gonna come back when I get everything prepared. And when I put this, well, I'm just come back. Cause this shit, it's not stressful, but like, Damn, getting everything prepared. That shit in the way. But I'll be back. Gotta shake this bitch up. This stuff kind of look weird. But when I was shaking this thing up, that thing started coming back out. I was confused, like, what's going on? But I'm gonna come back when everything is ready. I'm ready. Okay, I'm gonna start dyeing. And I'm gonna put this bitch on fast forward. And y'all gonna be muted too, because I'm finna play music. So yeah. So I'm halfway done. Well, I'm not done for real, but I did the back with just the ends. Then I'm gonna go back and do the roots. But now I'm finna do the top part. Y'all, this is not giving this. So I couldn't I ain't had no wash card, so I just had to put a bag on there. Ice cream. But yeah, I want to take the blow dryer and heat it up, but I don't know if I should do that. But I want to though. Hopefully this do something, y'all. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I haven't looked at my hair yet. I just washed my hair. I'm scared. But let's. Okay, let me see. What the fuck? Oh my god. Y'all, I don't know how to feel. I don't know. I need to put this stuff here, and I'll be right back. So I put it on there. I missed a couple spots up here, but I figured it'll be fine. You'll be fine. Don't look that bad, do it. So you guys, this is the finished look. It looks pretty. I like it. And that's it. That's all. So I'm back again, but while I was editing, I forgot this is the last part. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. That's all. Bye.